Up first, did students at the St. Anne-based Stairtown Academy obtain CSEC exam papers before the sitting of the exam?
This is the subject of an investigation by the Overseas Examination Council.
TVJ News understands that the Parent Teachers Association has called an emergency meeting over concerns that the consequences of this development could affect the start of the new school term next week.
Anthony Lugg reports.
There was jubilation at the Stairtown Academy in St. Anne last year after the school's performance in the 2022 CSEC exams. The school outperformed many traditional high schools in Region 3 in subjects like mathematics and music. In fact, it was ranked #1 in the Caribbean in music. But news surfaced weeks after the results that the students allegedly cheated. It's alleged that a teacher facilitated the cheating, but the principal denies that any cheating took place. TVJ News has learned that the Overseas Examination Council has written to the Ministry of Education indicating that it has sufficient evidence to conduct an investigation into the allegations. That probe is expected to get underway sometime this month. As such, the principal, the examinations coordinator, the acting grade supervisor, the mathematics teacher, and the special education coach have been placed on special leave effective January 1. It's understood that members of the school's PTA have objected to the special leave. They've planned an emergency meeting on Thursday. When contacted, the education minister declined comment, saying that the matter is now in the hands of the Overseas Examination Council. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.